Hello. Today we're making this little video because everybody is so tired. We are coming out of the winter, entering spring. According to Chinese medicine, it's already spring since last week, even if it's early February. But we can feel it, we can feel it. We can see the shoots in the trees. We can feel very tired. And in fact, in our body, what's happening is the energy changing from inwards the winter, when we feel we need to hibernate, to suddenly everything comes to the outside. Actually, the element is wood. Like a tree has been dormant in the winter, starting to get tall and open, where body energy is trying to do the same thing. The organs related to the spring are the liver and the gallbladder, and it's also connected to the eyes. So we're going to be doing some Qigong exercise, but very gently. We're very tired because we feel like we want to force, we want more energy, but we can't. We need to wake up very, very slowly. The meridians for the gallbladder is actually outside. So we're going to be, instead of doing some stretching, we're going to be opening. So try to keep that in mind. Please place your feet hip width distance. Relax. Breathe out deeply. Start to collect the energy from the earth. Bring it up. Push one hand up and one hand down. Turn and push up and push down. You're holding the sky and you're holding the earth, and you're creating this opening that we are looking for. Come back to the middle. Breathe in. Breathe out. Push up, push down, and turn. Gentle, gentle stretch, gentle opening. You can bend your knees as your hands coming together, feeling the connection of energy between your palms, and push. Make yourself tall. Open the side of the body. Very good. Another exercise we're going to place one hand behind our back. We're going to open the arm, create a loop, and push the palm towards the side as we are bending. So we're not bending forward or back. Our body is staying straight. Do it again. Push. Slight bend. Turn the palm, look inside the palm, sending our energy inward. Push down, make a fist. Breathe in. Push, exhale. We are opening the body gently for this new energy of the spring, but not too much, as we're reminding our body and our energy to stay in. Look beyond the hand. Check it out. Let's do a bit of tapping. Tap the side of the legs. Come to the middle. The outside of the leg is the gallbladder meridian. And the inside is the liver meridian. Very good. Let's check it out. The animal associated to the spring is the tiger, and the tiger with his claws. Remember, as we just did this exercise, we are gently starting to come out, but we want to refrain, so our claws are firm but gentle. So bring your claws, reap, like you were reaping the earth. Breathe it up, bring it up. Push on your feet. Push to the sky. Make claws as if you are reaping the sky. Bring it down. Push on your feet as you're connecting back to the earth. Again. Breathe out. And come back to the middle. Another organ related to the spring is the eyes. So we're going to be massaging gently around the eyes. It's very good if you got tired because of the computer. We want to take care of our eyes during the spring season. Remember to breathe. Don't grip anywhere. Very good. Thank you very much. If you like this little video, please subscribe to my channel. I am very new here. Press the little thumb button. And if you want to join my class, look on the description. Thank you.